For a healthy living, just enjoy a variety of vegetables. Eating healthy is essential for everyone, and I bet you know that already. Plus, one of the most important keys to eating a better diet is eating more fruits and vegetables. I bet again, you knew that too. But many people are unsure how to use herbs more effectively as part of their diet, but it may be easier than you think to provide yourself and your family with healthy, nutritious meals at a high price. One way to create beautiful meals that are healthier than ever is to take a stroll through the produce section of your local grocery store. Most major grocery store chains have huge produce sections, containing an excellent variety of fruits and vegetables from all corners of the world. Trying a variety of different fruits and vegetables is a great way to keep your meals interesting and exciting in addition to nutritious. It is all too easy to become bored when trying to follow a healthy diet, and boredom can lead people to abandon their healthy habits. Avoiding diet burnout is essential to the long-term survival of even the most sensible eating plan. So if you've never had vegetables like collard greens, asparagus or kale before, why not give them a try? Not only can trying new things allow you to make significant new discoveries, but it can increase your level of fitness as well. Leafy green vegetables like spinach, broccoli, and kale are rich sources of many essential vitamins, minerals, and other micronutrients. Another great way to increase the variety of vegetables you enjoy is to combine fresh, frozen and canned vegetables. While fresh vegetables are generally better and healthier, frozen and canned vegetables can be great alternatives for when the new varieties are out of season. One of the best things about fresh fruits and vegetables is an excellent variety of flavors, colors, and textures available. Eating a variety of different colored vegetables and fruits does much more than provide a much-needed range. It also offers a great variety of nutrients. For instance, yellow and orange fruits and vegetables tend to be very high in beta-carotene, while green leafy vegetables are often excellent sources of calcium and other essential nutrients. So why not spice up your plain old green salad with a splash of color in the form of yellow peppers or orange carrot slices? Many people wrongly think that they can make up for a crappy diet by using vitamin and mineral supplements. This mistaken belief is apparently prevalent since sales of these supplements continue to break records. When considering vitamin and mineral supplements, however, it is necessary to remember that foods contain many different minerals, trace elements, and other micronutrients. That means that for every nutrient that has been discovered and synthesized, there may be 10, 20 or more of these micronutrients that have yet to be fully understood. That is why no vitamin supplement, no matter how complete, can truly replace a healthy, balanced diet. Also, vitamin and mineral supplements are quite a bit more expensive than a good selection of vegetables and fruits, and not nearly as tasty. When changing your diet and eating for a healthier lifestyle, it is essential to educate yourself about eating right and go choose the right fruits and vegetables for your tastes. After all, the best diet is the one you can follow for the rest of your life. One of the best ways to start eating a healthy diet is to choose freshest fruits and vegetables. Not only do fresh fruits and vegetables taste better, but they are less expensive and more nutritious as well. Choosing a variety of in-season fruits and vegetables every week is a great way to enjoy healthy and varied meals. Of course, your favorite fruits and vegetables will not always be in season, so it will sometimes be necessary to supplement those fresh fruits and vegetables with canned and frozen varieties. When choosing canned fruits, try to avoid those packed in syrup. Pick canned fruits packed in fruit juice or water instead. They will be healthier and contain less sugar. Adding fresh fruit, such as apple slices, mandarin oranges, nectarines and the like is a great way to make plain salads more interesting and more delicious. Combining fruits and vegetables is a great way to enhance your nutrition as well. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.